Yeah, my name is Dinesh Nana. I'm 32 years of age. I'm from Durban. I stay in the Central Business District, being the, being the urban area. Basically, it's a town like impilo yami yonke. Kodwa benginakho ukuya elokishini to go see my cousin bam. They were like my bigger brothers and sisters because we were tight-knit for no family. Bengabathathe ukuthi umzala bami, mina ngibathathe njengobhuti omdala yabo, sisi omdala. Okay, my dad is Indian, my mom is being black. Was being a mixed race child wasn't quite exactly perfect. Bengelula yabo, always to being, you know what I mean, being called names, being treated differently. Shenuma ngiyemzini yabantu yabo, unakho ukubona ukuthi kunaleyo something yabo, they treat you differently because especially abangani bami bonke babe majority were Indian. So manje yabo mangifika kubo uyabona ngisho indlela otreatwa ngayo ihlukile. Kodwa you know, as a child, you know what I mean, you see but you don't pay quite close attention. Kodwa kuhambe as ngikhula yabo leyo nto nginothise ukuthi okay, these people yabo banokungithatha ngenye indlela, banokungi-undermine yabo, they don't take me seriously. Shuthi into ey'ningi bengizenza benginokuyidoubt yabo, it killed my sense of self-confidence. Kodwa ekhaya izinto beziyi-grand noma we didn't have it all. My dad being the sole breadwinner, he done his best. I'd never lie. He made sure everything that majority of what we needed, our needs were all seen to. Sure. My mom was there, you know what I mean, being his pillar of strength through it all, sticking with him through thick and thin, you know what I mean. It made it, you know what I mean. We grew up as a family, like we didn't feel like anything was short. Just, you know, like being as a child, you don't understand that because you want your wants, you know what I mean? Oh, ngani wami unefoni ukuthi ngizama ngani yami yabo asinakho lokho. We can't afford that, but you know, as a child, you don't want to quite accept. Shuthi I was a child who loved a lot of sports, cricket, soccer, and I was talented as well because people always complimented me and asked me like, how come you don't join a soccer club or a cricket club? A person like you could be playing overseas, you know what I mean? Things like that. Like I said, as a child, we don't pay attention to the little things, you know what I mean? We're like happy at the time, but we brush it over quickly. We don't go into detail or pursue it. Mostly because I knew my father couldn't afford for me to join a soccer club, so I didn't want to set myself up for heartbreak, you can say. Hey, as time went on, people were persistent. Hey, fana udlala ibhola, yabo leyo nto. And then eventually I like noticed whenever sidlala, I'd be the first one to be picked, you know what I mean? I was like a favorite. Some people wouldn't want to play because I wasn't on their team. They just knew it was like, you know what I mean? It's not the same if I'm not on your team. You know you're gonna lose. I was like, you know what I mean? Things weren't the same if I weren't there. People wouldn't play if I didn't show up for the game. We played on the street, you know what I mean? Staying in town, so Ipola, you know what I mean? We played it a different way. We had small nets, no goalkeepers, but it was fun either way. As time went on, a friend of, like my dad's close friend, he decided to sign me up for a soccer club without my father knowing this is. So, we training, 3 weeks it was. And then my dad started noticing, hey, indaba ufike late kanje, yabo ezinye ingane kade ibuyile esikoleni. Shuthi alingasabi ukumtshela ngoba ngiyamazi ukuthi okay, he wants me to focus on my studies and not, you know what I mean, be doing what other kids, their parents can afford. And mostly so from my point of view, I think my father, he didn't like the fact that another man, you know what I mean, would like belittle him. He felt like, as my father, he should be the one that signed me up for that soccer club. So yeah, going back to it.
What were you playing on soccer club?
What was Stella FC?
Stella.
Yeah.
What division?
Yeah, I go say under 17.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Ngoba nami yabo at Simon's on, it was like later on, close to my matric years, you see. So Baba, hey, what's the reason for you coming late? Baba, Uncle Milo signed me up for a soccer club. When this happened, hey, you know what? You need to focus on your studies and sign yourself out of that club. I can't afford for all of that. And I was like, hey, as a child, I didn't want to accept it. You know what I mean? Soccer was my passion. I saw myself, you know what I mean, playing overseas with the way people complimented the way I played, my style of playing. I could read the game. Mainly because I think as ngikhula ngangihlezi nginabantu aba older than me, so I learned a lot faster, or I had knowledge of things that I wasn't supposed to know before my time. Shuti, as I'm explaining to my father, he told me to sign myself out to soccer club. Young Bulala Leonto, you know what I mean? He took away the one thing that I really loved. Being a child at that time, I didn't smoke cigarettes, I didn't smoke, I wasn't on drugs, I was clean, you know what I mean? And mainly because, hey, you know what, my love for soccer, I saw myself, people, the way they complimented it, it made me see myself as that person who could be there overseas, who could be, you know what I mean, making sure I'm the one that gets my mom that big fancy house she always wanted, you know what I mean? Okay. Bumbulale, so I started joining people that, you know what I mean, weren't into soccer anymore, so it wasn't something that I'd be thinking about all the time. This is in late years of primary school. I'm not serious, anguphem zonke insuku nguphem mangihleli nalabo bantu thizeni just to, you know what I mean, fit in, you know what I mean. I ngene kwi high school sengiyaqala ke manje, okay, ngiyabona
kanti man dina unzwebu e primary ebona unzwebu high school.
This is the late years of primary school, we're going into high school.
Okay,
sure. As time went on, you know what I mean, I started joining more people that I met at Stella. We were in the same high school now. Sesidlala ndawonye, yabo ngebreak nani. Hey, bayangitshela, hey, yabo lento yakho kuyeka ibhola. Hey, still kufanele uqhubeke ngoba vele uzokhokha lo malume wakho. Ngithi mina okay. Ngeke ngikwazi ngoba ngiyazi leyo nto isangixabanisa nobaba wami. And vele kunje, yabo hleze ngikhuza ngalento yami yokungalaleli. Hayi, qhubeka sidlalela ibhola kodwa manje sengiyabhema ugwayi, bhema nensangu, yabo leyo nto. It's like ngizama ukuprove a point to my father, but in the wrong way. Yabo leyo nto. It was like ngoba uthathe lento engiyithandayo nami ngizokwenza into ezomcasula, which was foolish, but anyway it led to the wrong decisions I made further on in life. Qhubeke yabo manje intsangu sengibhema every day. Nokwayi sengibhema every day. It's my thing manje, yabo. Shuthi, as a child, as I was in high school, my father was also selling weed. So mina ngisengokuyithatha ke lentsangu, yabo, fika esikoleni ngummerchant. Yabo ngisaswele ngaleyo ndlela ngokuthini hlezi nginemali. Ngiyadayisa intsangu, ngidayisa ugwayi, yabo leyo nto. Hey, hlezi ngine-spending money. Futhi the things that, you know, like ukuyigqokisa, I used to get part-time jobs over the weekends. Ngoba ngangiyigqokisa mina okuningi. My mom used to buy this and that for me. Nobaba kodwa wayengayena umuntu othanda ukuthi azangithengele ingubo, yabo. Kodwa ngangihlezi nginezinto ezine-brand manje, yabo. Ngiyayithanda le mpilo yokuthi okay, gqoka igama, yabo leyo nto yanconywa. The flashy life, you can say. Hey, dayisa intsangu every day, it's my thing manje, yabo. Ngisafocusile esikoleni sengiyabhema, bhema intsangu, bhema ugwayi, ngummerchant, yabo leyo nto. siqhubeke ngaleyo mpilo fika early esikoleni sihlala ngaphandle siyashuka siyabhema yabo le nto hey hleli nomeshent khuleke hey bhema ubhemani bhema one way yabo le nto nakho futhi sisiqala nokuhlakanipha sesibona ukuthi layithile manje sesiza ngani inombolo yabo le nto phakamisa nezithupha ezimbi yabo shuthi indirectly siya ngakuleli side elwrong yabo le nto kodwa thina sibona ngathi hey cha we those, you know what I mean, we those grand sharp figure ma matric yabo singiyaqala manje sesinokujona manje siyangena isitolo siya shoplifter hey yabo masibona ama weekend udakiwe sile sishange isicathulo sikuthathele nje ukuleni bakhe yabo sithatha yebasana phone imali mohamba nethekeni uwedwa even better yabo lona ubamba wena inkulu ubambe nethekeni inkulu lento siyibona as yabo sekuyindlela yokuthi okay thenga ibhodlela singiyaphuza manje phuza notshwala bhema insango yabo adding on to the bad things that I'm doing now in life, the bad choices bhema nephilisi yabo lona ngale umnyaka futhi sengizoqeda la esikoleni qale sengibhema neheroin manje uma ibizwa ngethi white lapho yabo hey kodwa manje ngiyibhemi lokho ukuthi ngiyibhema every day it's just lento engiyenza mangihleli nabantu thizeni abanye obrava hey bona ngiyabona bayangena and more into le heroin hey mina pull back from these guys ngoba ngiyeza ukuthi ayilento mangoyibhemile ngeke ngathi uyagula manje yabo lona ma withdrawals ukhathala ubhocobane ilanga liyashisa ngithi ngisahleli ngivele ngizwi ukuthonga ngiyabona hey kwenzakalani ngoba ngilalile nje ebusuku hey appetite ayisekho izinto ezikanjalo hey makubuya ama matric results okuyinini 2010 ngangikumatric 2011 lo yabo sinda ama matric results hey gama lami liphumanga ephepheni baba ngade ngikhuza ngalabangani bami nalama choice kade ngiyenza ngizokwenza njani shuthe ekhaya baqale bangixeke hey you was wrong yabo lona ngoba vele kwakufanele bangitshele ngoba kade bakengitshela ngingalaleli ay okay kulungile yazokwenza njani uzorewrite ama subjects wafailile kuze urecoup hey it's not the end of the road bangituduza ke manje yabo nabo hey kunalokho ukuthi ezinye ingane abanye abantu bayabuza hey uDinesh uphumile ephepheni hayi lutho hey how come kodwa angaphela umoya yabo life goes on it's not the end of the road usangaqala phansi yabo rewrite uzophuma ama results ay you got a second chance ay nokurewrite kwami shuthi ngingayithathi serious then ngingokuthi vele ama subjects awu2 yabo ngizowaphasa manje angifundi ngoba vele ngikule mindset ukuthi angiseke esikoleni vele mina ngumuntu ozoyibhalela lawo ma test these tests yabo ngihambele shuthi before ngibhale angifundanga la bengilokho ngiyibhemela as usual yabo lona ngibhema insangu lana siyaphuza lana shana amanye amaphilisi abizwa ngama 542 it's a day trip drug iphilisi eliblue nje elibhalwe 542 elinomuqa phakathi nendawo li royal blue like kodwa as it dissolves it turns like it goes green leyanto leyana yabo unongakhumbula into yenzayo a lot of things engizenzile bengasayikhumbula abantu engibafice ngikade ngidla yona it makes me talkative kodwa la yabo masujika ucasuka khona wenza into ungacabanga futhi wenza into ethusa kwayo wena okade uyenza yabo it's like unbelievable it's like sort of yabo lento ekuthiwa iZanex yeah like that umuntu enza into angakhumbula enze eyibukwayo futhi hey sort of something out of a movie shoot nakhona sesidla wona sesinokubamba inkunzi yabo njalo ngeweekend siyala eSuncoast Casino North Beach yabo noma siye mall siyazi ukuthi okay so fica ingane zoma lapha gqoka ama chains esihlakaniphile sesibamba inkunzi amagolide yabo ama cellphone kodwa manje sebakhetha abantu sibabambayo ngokuthini nathi phela yabo hey siyayintshontsha into esiyenzayo sifuni iyaziwe nasemakhaya yabona nathi senzele ukuthi ayibu siyabona imali esisiyayiphatha sengikwazi ukushintsha ifoni kathatha enyangeni ngidlula umuntu osebenzayo ngisho noma ungibuka ngigqokile hayi uyancoma ukuthi hayi le ndoda lokhu kushayela Adidas Monday to Friday kwenze njani usebenza hey baba wakho uphethe kahle mina kubuyazi bengekayisho yonke lena shuthi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi yaqala sengiyaboshwa njalo man ngiqale ngiboshwa iposition ngicala lokuqala la ngibopha.
How did it happen?
Shuthi ngihamba nabo abangani bami yabo kwakuyi prom night oyedwa wabo seshiyana ngokweminyaka mina sengiphumile esikoleni yena usasesikoleni njengoba kuyi prom night yakhe as ubaba bingi waye umeshent thatha insango la ekhaya igcwele amaphakethe yabo wonke umuntu uqondile sifike kubo la yabo wabazali bakhe abekho bashiye nale flat uhlala ePenthouse 10th floor omunye umnganami uJamile anyway sihleli lana mhlambe siba 8 bangani bami uyena nobhuti wakhe bayalingana ngokweminyaka bobabili bazobe ku prom night nabo khona nabanye abangani bami babekhona ababezoba they taking part in this prom as well. Shuthi siyafika lana eflatini siyabhema khona utshwala khona idakamizwa there's i-crack cocaine there's i-Mandrax bathini yabo leyo insango yeah sibheme before i-prom sithi sesehlile shuthi siyongena emotweni asiqedanga ukubhema singokuthi okay okuningi sokwenza mase sifike kwi-prom masifika kwi-prom singakofiki kwi-prom sehle siye downstairs masifika downstairs kwenzakalani sibathathu sihamba kuhanjwa ngey'moto eziwu-3 thina njengoba siba u-9 la sohlukana ngalezi imoto yabo sithi samile emgaqweni vele kuma iveni yamaphoyisa sibaningi phela blood ziyabonakala ukuthi ngathi labo sebeqala yabo ukungena okukhotheni futhi uyabona indlela esenza ngayo abanye badebhisa amabhloko abanye bashisa ogwayi kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi ngeke ngathi ingane zesikole lezi fika amaphoyisa sesha bonke bangatholakala namacala shuthi mina ngokukhohlwa kwami ngihleli nensanga isemaphaketheni iphoyisa lengibize nkathi lingibiza ngifaka isandla ephaketheni ngizwe ukuthi uplastiki lona insango lelo plastic lithi awunalutho wena ngithi mina hayi baba nginalutho ngisho hexe uvalo shosho mangakuseshe ngitholela ukuthi ngeke uthole lutho ngikunethi tuba lokugcina declare amakhono khona ngokukhulu kunganaki hayi baba khuleka ngeke uthole lutho kodwa uyangibona ukuthi kunalento nje yabo akuneki still yabo ngiyanyakaza athoza la lo plastic nje ubulunguzile shuthi uyayibona yena mina ngibona ukuthi uyayibona usuke awukhiphe la ephayetheni donsa lo plastic mangithi ngiyawudonsa uplastic yabo lo money bag lese Standard Bank kodwa yona athi engaka nokwenza ungakhohlwa into engaka shuthi ngiboshwa njalo first time ngiboshwa position spoil prom night yami nami bona baqhubeka baya mina ngasala kanjalo ngiphethe wallet wami lana ngiwunika umngane wami before amaphoyisa ahambe nami kanti mangifika police station kuthiwa bengingakhokha ifine ya 200 admission of guilt because ngangiyi first time offender lapho ngiphume kinga manje wallet sihambe nabangani bami ngiyabikela kodwa ngakusasa ekseni bafika bona bazongikhipha shuthi sisakhuluma ngale nto lena yabo leona sesabantu nje sebenokudlala nje masihlangene siplana ukuthi siyoganga ngakho asenolwandle yabo masolwandle sinokurelax sibhude bathi abanye besagade ikhwama la ba-check i-coast baba balahla yabo amakhapula afika ngene emanzini beshiya into zabo fike nje kugoqwe yonke into fast causes laba abahleli abasayidlalela kuzophuma abantu abasemanzini beqoqa izinto bahambe benze sure ukuthi akekho banjwayo angithi nina maniphuma nekhapule nibona besahleli ngenicabangele kubona noma ningabasesha nibusibutsi sekuyinto yethu weekend to weekend nje sesenza njalo shuthi ekhaya nabayabona ukuthi lo muntu ungathi akekho serious ngalento yakhe e-matric yabo thola noma umsebenzi-ke khona uzokwazi ukuqhubeka na usacabanga ukuthi wenze njani yabo no problem yabo so lesipana yethi ngisasipana lento yami ukuthi cha ngilala late ngibuye ngihalali ngisho ukulala shaya cocaine lana yabo mangihleli nabangani bami base-overport ama-pack sathola cheap ama-pack cocaine sengishaya nayo-ke manje ubali sekuba 2013 ya la ngiqala khona le cocaine yakhona kunomngani wami there's also my accused emacaleni esawenza nokuhola ngamadola la badayisa khona iy'moto badayisela abantu abazoya over iborder now shuthi uma bekhokha bona bakhokha in American dollars yena unokuthola ama-tip ngawo la madola yabo shuthi nqeni i-customer uthenga imoto eziwu-7 it's me now $200 thina mase sokuconverta lapho imalini ngoba $100 imalini 1.7 ya kanjalo aphinde naye futhi yabo thola ukuthi i-customer belingelodwa mhlawumbe awu-5 thina sesidakwa ile mali nganqeni ukuthi uma iphuma emsebenzini bro masambeni siqala kameshente sibabili njalo ethi funa mangabi na 2 athi okay thenga u5 mabheka u5 sibabili la sithenga iplug ngendlela nqeni ukuvela singena e-studio 88 noma ikuphi nje yabo Total Sports sika ama-outfits awu2 angithi sidakwe imali yamadola la senza njalo nje njalo weekend to weekend Friday ushowcase makuphela inyanga nje uyazi naye khona lelo customer lizosuke limqinise ngamadola naye aphinde futhi mase bemholela siyodlala imali asilale sidla ama-542s le tape trip truck sidla insangu sidla ama-cider sidla i-cocaine asilali lapho nganqeni spin a whole week fika ekhaya geza ubuso ngiyaxubha sometimes yabo indlela ensuke sijahe ngayo ngisuke ngizoshiya lezi iy'mpahla ekade ngiy'thengile nalezi kade ngiy'gqokile geza ubuso ngixubha sengiyaphuma futhi ubra wami njengoba yena awuphasi umatric bamthengele i-golf kubo i-Tennessee yeah shuthi ngale golf sinokuhamba yabo umeshenti sesinokwenza imali ngayo le golf yabo sort of zi-Uber yabo private taxi sinama-customer esiwashaya kanjalo sithi sasuka lapho endaweni asibambeni inkunzi ithi mina okay wena drive jiki khona masujiki khona uzongifica khona wena phaka lapho nje mina ngizokwehla emotweni khipha umese ngizokhomba labo bantu kuthathe lawo mafoni plus ngoba phela ngangidlala ibhola ngiyahamba mase ngibaleka ngeke ungifice ngiyaphephuka ngiyakutshela ngisho ungqoke obhaqwa ngiyakushiya ugqoka amadeku grand sharp into esokuyenza njalo-ke uthi ngasemamall masibona ukuthi wona umuntu edakiwe la noma badakiwe singanqeni sivele sehle mhlawumbe sibabili udrive uhlala emotweni sobamba labo bantu siyagijima cover up imoto angithi senzela ukuthi neplate bangaliboni njengoba siyojika khona vule emotweni siyangena siyahamba siyodayisa amafoni umeshenti wethu naye unakho ukuthatha amafoni yabo lona athi hayi le ngiyifunela mina le ngizokubika ukesha kanjalo ushuthi asivaleki ngasemalini indlela yokuthi okay sihlezi ne-spending money hlezi sithola lento yethu esiyifuna hlezi siyi-covered shuthi nasekhaya banokunakusiza ukuthi wena usafika usalala la ekhaya thini into yakho wena usahlala lana noma uma ungasahlala usheshe uqoqe into zakho uyise la uhlezi uhleli khona ngoba sifuna ufike mase kunenkinga kunalento le nokwenziwa abazali yabo uthola ukuthi banokukhuluma into vele yenzeka athi hey yabo nje ngoba ungazeli nje namaphoyisa noma uzele nenkingi hayi grand sharp qale ngiboshwe iRobbery u2013 siyo phela ngiboshwe iRobbery ngayo le ndlela leyo ukuthi sehle emotweni yabo kodwa ucomplainer angalivuli icala shuthi bangilalisa eselini ngakusasa ekseni thi uboshwe bathi aboshwe amaphoyisa okay uphi umuntu ombophayo ayakekho khona umuntu omchajayo ayakekho hawu lo muntu uhlele eseleni mali bangidedela shuthi angisifundanga isifundo ne ngoba ngijikela eduze emaseleni nakhona hayi ngibonile hawu free getaway qhubeke nalempilo sengiyobamba inkunzi kuphi one of the shopping centers eMasgrave
take us through that event
kwakuyisekuseni it was Tuesday morning
which year
ngawo 2014 uqala athi into yami nje vele le ukubamba inkunzi manje inkinga njengoba mina ngizokwenza leli cala shuthi khona omunye wabangani bami ongayenzi lento futhi baba wakhe uyigangster yabo mina naye siqoke ikipe efanayo nekhindi ecishe efana ama-3/4 acishe afana necathule ecishe efana shuthi we both wearing white sweaters, round neck sweaters, we both wearing brown 3/4 ukuthi ezami zine-check yabo eyakhe is like a faded brown two-tone ngifica ikhapula ihleli la emayitebhisini yabo it's towards the top of the shopping center towards the parking lot njengoba ngiwafica la bantu bayaganga ngiyabona ukuthi ayibona abantu besisukela kube nento ethi ngoba kuthulekile vele kwi-parking lot le engasetshenziswa abantu abaningi fika ukuthi hayi njengoba intombazane ihleli phezu kwakho mfana yena ngeke azabe na-movement angithi yena ujenywe le ntombi yakhe iphendukele emva kwentombi yakhe ngisuke ngimkhomba ngithi mina ya njengoba nihleli kanje ningabusanyakaza ngiphethe nomese ne nami phela fanele into yami ibe serious ukuze ngibangalinge bacabanga ukunyakaza ithi intombazane iyaphenduka bona ukuthi lo muntu akahlale userious plus umese ngubeke ngakuyena la ngasemhlanje khomba le out yakhe thulula amaphakethe fast shuthi uzama ukusukuma ngithi mina uma ngenze into engasile lapho yazi ibona ukuthi njengoba ehleli phansi kuyinkinga ukuthi ayikhiphele ngitshela intombi yakhe ukuthi ayikhiphe soyikhipha amafoni abo yena uphethe amafoni awu-2 intombi yakhe iphethe yodwa intombi yalo mjidi iphethe ne-handbag yabo so ngithatha i-handbag ngifaka amafoni awu-3 na ngithatha iphesi yayo vele ila phakathi kwi-handbag ngithathe nokhiya wemjida lo wemoto njengoba ngithatha ukhiya wemoto angizukuthatha nemoto mina engqondweni yami ukudidisa yena lo mjida noma kuthiwa uyangijaha noma uyangilandela ngizophosa ukhiya in the opposite direction just ukuthi nami ngikhave isikhathi sokuthi ngiphele emehlweni yabo lona thatha ukhiye nguphose kwi-level engaphansi angithi njengoba ngime kwi-staircase kunesikhala lana bese kuba i-level engaphansi ngifike ngiphose lapho ukhiye yena ngibuke ngiphose ukhiye lapho ngehle ngamayitebhisi nakhona ngigijima ngiyayihambela nje phethe i-handbag nginqamule phakathi kwisenta shuthi clean getaway ngihambe kahle anginankinga yabo ngihlangana nentombi yami central eDurban yabo in town njengoba ngihlangana naye ngimkhombisa sengiphuma eMasgrave nazi izinto engiyiholile yabo asambeni ngiyodayisa ihambe nami vele iyazazi izinto engizenzayo futhi isiyagcina yabo umuntu mayekuthanda yabo lazi umuntu esathandana naye from high school yabo lo iminyaka mhlawumbe sasesina 6 years sithandana agcine emukele ukuthi okay impilo esiyiphila kodwa ngoba kangifihleli yena wayithanda lokho ukuthi ngangamfihleli konke engikwenzayo uyakwazi Grand Sharp setayisa kungena i-call kumina. It's about late afternoon ngalo lo suku Tuesday. Fona ubaba lo mfana lo oyigangster yabo uyangifonela uyangitshela ukuthi Dina ngiyakudinga ukuphi manje. Ngibuze ubalo engikhuluma naye angitshela igama lakhe. Ngishawa uvalo ngithi mina ya unjani. Mangithi ngiyambuza baba kwenze njani wangifonela uDingani athi lalela ubuseMasgrave namhlanje ngesikhathi sokuthi ingane yami iboshiwe icela uze la eBria Police Station uzoyideclare kuze bazodelela ingane yami. Njengoba ngitatazela manje ngichazela intombi yami ukuthi okay nangu baba abandla yabo uyangidinga mayelana nale robbery ngiyenze namhlanje kuseni ngenze njani. Angakayikhansela i-call ifoni ngiyibekela esifubeni athi ungamtsheli ukuthi ukuphi mtshele ukuthi uzoza kuyena. Ngithi mina alright ngimtshele malum ungadinwa cela ungiphi i-hour ngizokufica lapha e-police station ngizoza ukuthi konke ngisafuna ukuzenza kuqala. Senginovalo kufanele ngiyideclare cancel i-call hambe siya ku-merchant. Njengoba siya ku-merchant ngifuna ukuthi okay noma ngiboshwa ngina yonke into engiyidingayo until ngiye enkantolo yabo lona yaka-merchant ngithenge ipack yalamaphilisi la 542. Now masuwadlile it's like uba down yabo ayadakwana as umuntu ophuzile kodwa ungaphuzanga utshwala. Thenge wona ipack of 10 ngihambe thenge insangu la ku-West Street sihambe siyolwandle mina intombi yami nomunye umjida wami. Shuthi njengoba sihleli lana sibhema lensangu ngidla lamaphilisi ngibeka u5 yabo ngidla u5 mina manicabanga ngenze njani kuthiwa hayi asambeni mhlawumbe ucomplain ulaphana yabo mhlawumbe ufuna ukubona qala uyena uzosho ukuthi wena noma kuwena. Sibheme Grand Sharp fast liphele leli hour engilicelile. Okay yazini asambeni segarage gcwalisa upetrol angithi ngisanayo imali kade sidayisa amafoni ngifakela umngane wami upetrol ngithi okay thenge ugwayi owanele kuze nami njengoba ngizobosha ngazi ukuthi nginogwayi wami nge-light time yonke into ngicover thengele nomngane wami 20 yakhe. Angithathe sisuka la e-Beach Front e-North Beach siyahamba siyaphi se-police station eBria. Masifika khona ucomplain afika ngibuka umjida angibukisisi ngithi mina bambuze uyena-ke lo mfana kubamba inkunzi aphike umjida. Njengoba ephika angigqoke isigqoko angiyifihlile nasekuseni ngangigqoka isigqoko ngangayifihlile wangibona njengoba nginjalo ngathi haya kuyena buza intombi yakhe haya kuyena. Ngiphume eroomini ngithi mina okay ngoba nenza kumina pho sengahamba kuthiwa hayi ungahamba. Ngithi ngisaphumile nje office ngisahamba la epassage baphinde ngibiza ukapteni wakhona ula eroomini nabo complain shuthi mangena athi ozala donsi imkhono yejacket ayiphakamise konke esifuna ukuyibona. Shuthi mangiphakamisa ka left angaboni lutho abona i-tattoo athi akuyena. Mayethi la ka right shuthi kubhalwe igama lami khona afika athi uyena lapho sengitshethi impunyuki bese ngithi ngiyagoduka ne hliziyo ibuhlungu kodwa ngoba nginayo yonke into engiyidingayo ngingene emaseleni daku ama-drugs la ngizwanga lutho ngeze sekuyisekuseni ngekusasa ngehle ngenkantolo mangiye enkantolo kuthiwa hayi angiye Westville. It's for the first time ngiye Westville-ke manje emadolweni ngiyasaba ngiyintwana la ngiyabonakala ngisho ebusweni ngoba yabo ngincane ngomzimba ngimfishane angimude yabo plus njengoba obhulu lombe ngasekho sengizovela obala ngitshele 1+1 ayindoda man akukho
kuhweba noma kwenzakalani abathi Westville?
cha njengoba fanele ngiye Westville ukuthi bahlanganisa ubufakazi yabo ngiye Westville shuthi intombi yami yenza iplan ngoma wayo yazana nomunye ummeli bangibiza before i-court date yami ukuthi ngiye enkantolo shuthi ngahlala eWestville 2 days after 2 days ngabizwa i-requisition shuthi i-requisition bafike bafona enkantolo ba-request ukuthi bakulethe enkantolo inkantolo ikudinga ngokukhulu ukushesha grand sharp mangifika enkantolo sebengikhokhelelile nakuthi leli cala nje likhishwa yabona complainer vele hey yena ngoba gcineni ufuna izinto zakhe mina mangamsiza ngitholele izinto zakhe yena uzongidedela intombi yami vele yazi ukuthi izinto zadayiswaphi iye nabo bayithola izinto alisule icala kanjalo ngishumbu back to square one ne shuthi njengoba ngizophuma la intombi yami nami sesinokungaboni ngasolinye yabo shuthi sihle ngihlezi-ke manje nginalabo bra bami anginaso isikhathi sakhe sixabana njalo kwathi sekuzoba April noma May sihlukane naye njengoba sihlukene sasithandana isikhathi eside futhi nendlela esihlukane ngayo kwakungekuhle yabo saxabana sabizana amagama kwase yabo bekana nesandla siyibukanisa ngabantu emgaqweni things like that yabo kanti abantu babehlezi bencoma ukuthi yabo lento yeni iyathandeka niyabonakala ukuthi animakethana lento shuthi iyangidla indlela esengibhema ngayo sengibhema twice as much amacwala sengikwenza yabo like it's going out of fashion futhi manje yabo ngiphatha isikhali kodwa sengiyasebenzisa manje angigcini ngokuthi mhlambe yabo ngisikhiphe for ukuthusa mongenze into ongayiboni kahle hayi cha inxeba ngilifaka manje ngivula manje inxeba ngidlala nengane ekwenzeni lamacala no accuse bami nabo abantu esenginokwenza nabo abacala sebenokuxwaya ngeke yabo lamacala owenzayo manje oshedule bangempela uzosiqhatha neminyaka kanti basuke be-serious beqinisile mabethi igazi alihambiselani nemali juse sesinokukhujwa amaphoyisa njalo yabo leyo nto xabana nabantu ekhaya yabo izinto ayisangihambeli kahle yabo